Sunday. Folks, thank you all so much for tuning into another video. Today I'm out here on the Barren Fork River. I'm going to be floating into the Collins River as well today. I just got in at Smooth Rapids Outfitters right up here, as you can see. Really good people up here. They got a couple of different floats that you can do. I'm doing the 6-mile float today, so it's going to be from their put-in the Barren Fork, and I'm going to be floating down to the VFW in McMinnville. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Let's get after it. The water's a little cloudy today. We had some rain last night, so made the water go up a little bit and get a little bit dirty, but overall it's fairly clear. Just went and got myself these new Avco fishing gloves. These are pretty nice. The other fishing gloves that I purchased in the past, they kind of felt like they would rip apart pretty easily, but these feel real sturdy. Got that vinyl material right here and some neoprene right here. Keep that sweat from running down your arm. It's supposed to be a sweat wipe right here as well, which is pretty cool. I might use that at first, but I have to wash these gloves when we be doing that. But overall, I'd say these are pretty good. See how they do throughout the day though, but I'm impressed so far. So much grass. First fish of the day on that Chapo. Got to get him unhooked safely. Alright, that's a nice way to start the day right there. He smashed that too. Nice little smallie. Appreciate that one getting on. Peace out, buddy. Oh, that was a big soft shell turtle. Hope I got that on camera. Good to know. These fish are hiding in front of this grass, so I'm gonna throw all over this grass. Told you. Said it. Sure enough, rock bass hiding in the grass. I seen him. You are awkwardly hooked, buddy. There you go. I'll get you done though. I'm gonna get you out of there. There we go. Nice size rock bass, and they're hiding in this grass, so I gotta throw all in front of this grass. Fish number 2, appreciate it. Nice little rocky bass, appreciate that, buddy. Peace out. Fish in the cover, in the shade, in the cover. That are nice. I can work with that. Little rock bass, aggressive fella right here. Aggressive. I appreciate him. No little rock bass, appreciate you. Peace out, little fella. I used to wonder why rock bass were so aggressive, but they compete for the same food as smallmouth, so that explains everything. You gotta go out there with the smallmouth and get it in. You better be a tough son of SOB. Another little smallmouth right here. Appreciate that little guy right there. Cool little guy. Appreciate him getting all very aggressive. Peace out, little fella. right there. Wow. Little bitty rock bass. Little bitty rock bass, guy. This fella is ambitious. Look at that little fella. Peace out, fella. Woo! Got him. Yes, sir. Best fish of the day so far right there. Whew. Put up a little bit of a fight there, buddy. All right. Whew. So he's about 13 and a half inches right there. I really appreciate that one getting on. He's got a beautiful pattern on him. Nice fish right here. Appreciate him getting on. Peace out, buddy. You are the big fish of the day so far. Rocky spots like this, sometimes a good place for top water. See if that hole's true right in here. A few little deep holes. Hard to slow down in areas like this though. What the?
Any luck?
Oh yeah, man. Catching a bunch of them.
Oh, smallmouth or what?
Yeah.
Right on.
Just had a blow up right there, but he missed it. Thought about switching over to the popper because I've had some short strikes. I've also had a lot of commits, so I'm just gonna stick with it. Somebody below in the comments tell me if you know when the fish are short striking on top water, what should you do? How should I present the bait? I'm trying to slow down. I don't seem to help though. The ones that are hitting it seem to hit it as soon as it goes in the water. Come on. Sir. Whew. I got one more before I got off the Barren Fork. That's nice. Get him off of here. Might have to drink a beer to this one. Okay, I got you. Don't worry. Don't worry. I don't know how you managed to do this. There we go. There we go. Another nice fish out here. Nice little smallie right here. Appreciate this one getting on. He was vicious about it too. But I'm gonna get him back here in the river. Peace out, little buddy. What is going on? Topwater, you've done a good job today. You've been a faithful and loyal bait today. I appreciate your hard work. You're gonna retire for the day. Swim bait. Get in here. Get after it. Big fish. I'm counting that. He hit the boat. That's another thing I love about fishing, man. Sometimes they're just hitting multiple baits on that day. It was fun to switch up and try different things. Musky, big musky. Whoo, man, what a day. I've had a really awesome time out here today fishing. Had a lot of blowups on that Chopo. Sometimes that happens. Folks, let me know below in the comments, what do you do when you get a bunch of short strikes on a topwater bait? Just a really fun time though. I caught a few out here on the Collins River as well on a swim bait. So overall, I'd say it's a very successful day. Folks, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And as always, folks, remember, there's a lot of river out there. Catch you on the next boat flip. Peace.